Hello everyone. I'm Andrew, the business coach. Our first method takes us to AliExpress. To kick things off, it's crucial to ensure your country and currency settings are correctly configured. Select your target country. For instance, let's go with the United States. Make sure the currency and language match, then click Save. Another crucial step is creating an AliExpress account. Because when you're researching products on AliExpress, there are often enticing bonuses for new users. However, these bonuses can skew the prices you see. To eliminate this distortion, I recommend setting up an AliExpress account and making a small purchase, even a $1 item, to bypass the welcome bonus. This way, you'll get an accurate view of product prices. Now you need to browse through your niche. Some excellent categories include home, which encompasses home decor, storage, garden, and kitchen. Another profitable niche is kids, with a plethora of cool items for babies. Health and beauty is a personal favorite of mine, with products related to health and personal care. Lastly, tools and home improvement offer a range of high-potential products, like lighting tools and more. Once you've picked your niche, click on the corresponding category. For instance, let's select the health niche. With your niche chosen, the next step involves some manual labor. You'll need to sift through numerous pages to find a product worthy of testing. As you can see, there are a multitude of pages, sometimes up to 60 or more. Your initial task is to click on products that catch your eye. We'll filter them further later on. Let's quickly scroll through and see if any products stand out. For instance, we have a product here that we can open in a new tab, a mini electric neck massager. It solves a problem, adds value, and has a broad market, making it another potential winner. As we keep scrolling down, we also find a body shaping product which many women probably would be interested in buying as they care a lot about their looks. Let's open it in another tab. Here we also have two other neck massagers which we open up. If we scroll down further, we also find a cervical spine massager and more. These all address specific needs and could be worth testing. You'll want to repeat this process for each page, accumulating a list of potentially lucrative products. You can also explore related searches and test different keywords to uncover fresh results. Additionally, consider exploring sub-niches listed on the side for more product options. After you've gathered a substantial list of AliExpress products for potential testing, create a Google Sheet. In this sheet, input the products, their prices, number of orders, and reviews. This will help you filter and decide which products to test and add to your store. This systematic approach is a fantastic way to kickstart your research journey on AliExpress. Using Facebook. This happens to be one of my all-time favorite product research techniques. To kickstart this approach, make sure you're using the Chrome web browser. Visit the Chrome Web Store and install two different extensions. The first extension is the Facebook Pixel Helper. With this handy tool, you'll be able to see every instance when a pixel is triggered on a website. Simply click on the extension and add it to your Chrome browser. Next, you'll want to get this Turbo Ad Finder extension. This extension provides the capability to exclusively view ads on your Facebook feed. Your entire feed will be filled with ads once you activate it. Click the Add to Chrome button and install the extension. Now, let's proceed to the core method. You need to inform Facebook of your interest in product ads, and here's how you can do that. Start by visiting AliExpress, and when you're there, perform a search for the products you wish to sell or the niche you're keen on. Browse through the results, and for this example, let's say we're diving into the health niche and selecting products related to back pain. So, type in back pain and find between 3 to 5 popular products. Next, open Google and enter the name of one of the products you've chosen. For instance, if we've picked a posture corrector, you'd search for posture corrector, followed by +myshopify.com. This particular search will display products hosted on the Shopify platform. After the search, you'll see various products listed. Click on a few of them to check their websites. Now, if a website has a Facebook Pixel installed, the Facebook Pixel Helper will display it. For sites where you can't find the pixel, simply move on. However, if you find a site like posturecorrectors.com, where you can clearly see the pixel, proceed to browse the site. Click on some products and interact with the site by adding items to the cart. The pixel helper will indicate when actions like add to cart and initiate checkout are triggered. By doing this, Facebook will recognize your interest in posture correctors and categorize you accordingly. It's essential to repeat this process on multiple websites with the pixel helper extension installed. This method will help Facebook to curate ads similar to the products you've shown an interest in. So, you've gone through the procedure, and now we're on your Facebook feed. In the top right corner, locate the Turbo Ad Finder extension and click on it. Enable the Ads Only feature. Now, your Facebook feed will exclusively showcase ads. No more posts from friends, videos, or group updates. It's all about ads. Scroll through your feed and keep an eye out for compelling product ideas. You'll come across various ads, such as a home decor product, a headache and migraine solution, or even a pet-related item. Since we delved into the pain relief niche earlier, let's say you've picked some back pain-related products. By clicking on these ads, you can discover more product options. Remember to interact with them by performing actions like add to cart and initiate checkout. The more you engage, the more Facebook will fine-tune the ads it displays to you. It's a repeating cycle. For example, you may come across a pet frame ad, a home decor item, or a neon sign. When you find an intriguing product, you can investigate further by reading comments and opinions. And by the way, remember to hit the like, comment, and share buttons on these ads as well as save the product. By clicking on the ad, the Facebook pixel will be triggered. By continually following this process, Facebook will tailor the ads it presents to you based on your interests. It's a remarkably effective way to discover new product ideas. Initially, you might not see e-commerce ads, but with consistent effort, you'll begin to see more and more of them. For instance, if you're browsing for pain relief products, Facebook will gradually display more of these types of ads to you. This method can be a goldmine for uncovering potential products to test and sell. And there you have it. You've successfully harnessed the power of Facebook's algorithm to find product ideas in a unique and powerful way. The more you engage with these ads and repeat the process, the more Facebook will refine its ad recommendations for you, opening up countless product possibilities to explore. So just keep on going through relevant Shopify sites on Google and interacting with Facebook ads. The add-ons will learn what you are interested in and show you more relevant ads on currently trending ads.